Hinge repair, and SSD upgrade on Asus notebook S300CA. Thank you to Sir Jason for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Unscrewing the back cover, opening it, removing the battery, removing the hard drive, removing the connectors first to separate the hinge to the LCD frame. Repairing a laptop hinge is worthwhile when it restores full functionality and stability to the device. For minor issues like loose hinges or squeaking noises, simple repairs such as tightening or lubricating may suffice. However, for more severe damage like broken or cracked hinges, replacement may be necessary. Visiting a repair shop can be beneficial for complex hinge repairs, as professional technicians have the expertise and tools to assess the damage accurately and perform repairs safely and effectively. Ultimately, seeking professional assistance ensures a worthwhile repair and prevents further damage to the laptop. Melting the plastics to repair and put back the threads on it. This technique repairs the broken plastic on the thread that holds it. Hinge repair on a laptop is indeed feasible, but can vary in complexity depending on the extent of damage and laptop model. Minor issues like loose hinges may only require tightening or lubrication, while severe damage may necessitate replacement. It's crucial to source compatible replacement parts and consider your skill level before attempting repair. Professional technicians can offer expertise and tools for safe and effective repair, making professional assistance advisable for complex hinge issues to prevent further damage. Neglecting a hinge damage on your laptop can have serious consequences. Over time, the issue may worsen, potentially leading to complete hinge, or causing additional damage to other components. A damaged hinge can also compromise the structural integrity of the laptop, affecting its stability and functionality. Additionally, continued use of a laptop with a damaged hinge may exacerbate the problem, making repairs more complicated and costly in the long run. Therefore, it's important to address hinge issues promptly to avoid further complications and ensure the continued usability of your device. Unpacking this Apacer 256GB 2.5 SSD. Replaced it on the 2.5 HDD bracket. The ball, putting back the cover, hinge repair, and SSD upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.